At Bloom Culture, we are paving the road for a new way to DIY wedding flowers with guided DIY. We help couples stay in control of their wedding budget and enjoy the most beautiful wedding flowers. Hi, I'm Allison Fleck, the founder of Bloom Culture. Doing your own flowers can be intimidating due to the lack of support and the many unknowns, which can cause doubt and confusion. With Bloom Culture, you get stress-free flowers and step-by-step instructions. Pick a collection or custom package and get your florals delivered to your door. Every order includes access to full-length tutorials and a 55-page guide that covers everything you need to turn fresh, bulk flowers into stunning arrangements. Couples can save thousands using our gorgeous wholesale blooms, tutorials, and DIY guide. Ready for stunning, stress-free flowers? Let's make it happen. Start your DIY journey today at bloomcultureflowers.com and get your free guide. Do it yourself with confidence with Bloom Culture.